Yes. Oh, what is this? A is for?
B.
This one, A is for?
Apple.
Okay, B is for?
B.
C is for?
Dad.
D is for?
Dog.
Dog. E is for?
Ice.
F is for?
B.
G is for?
Dog.
H is for?
Horse.
Horse. Very good. I is for?
Ice.
J is for?
G.
K is for?
G.
L is for?
Mom.
Lamp. Very good. M is for?
Mom.
N is for?
New York.
O is for?
Ice.
P is for?
Big.
Pig. Okay, very good. Q is for?
G.
R is for?
Whoa.
S is for?
Dad.
T is for?
G.
Tree. Very good. U is for?
Ababa.
B is for?
Big.
W is for?
Water.
X is for?
Christmas.
Christmas. Very good. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Y is for?
Yellow.
Yellow. Z is for?
Zebra.
Zebra. Okay. How many tomatoes do you see? Can you count?
One.
One. Very good. How many banana do you see? Three. How many strawberry do you see?
Two.
Very good. How many cherry do you see?
Four.
Four. Wow. Okay.